What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on YGG Yield Guild Games, which has pumped up, as you guys can see, nearly 25% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just about 26 cents. So this crypto had a major history, shall I say, about a week or two ago, where it pumped up all the way to nearly the $1 mark and then straight away dropped back down. And right now it has pumped up again, but how high will it go is the main question here. Is it going to head back to the dollar mark or even 50 cents? You know, even if it reaches 50 cents, a huge amount of profit can be made depending on how much you've invested into the crypto. So that's what we're going to be looking at into today, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Yield Guild Games go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit the target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up finally, guys, 3.5% after in the last 24 hours, but the whole crypto market is still down. As you can see, Bitcoin is all the way down to $26,000. Even though it says 3% up, overall for the whole month it is down quite majorly, as it was trading near about $30,000 about 2 weeks ago. So going into the Coinbase website here, zooming into the chart, we can see that the last hour it has dropped 1.5%, over the last day 25% up, over the week 4%, and over the month a massive 62%. But we can see it pumped up nearly 480% August the 7th, which was near about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, this was when it was getting a lot of hype around it, but it straight away dropped back down in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 200%, making it $88 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. It's one of the top gainers, so it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it. More and more people are looking to trade the crypto, and yes, the trading volume has gone up. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of YGG, which is here in purple at 30 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly lower value here in red at 26 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and we do have the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Yield Guild Games. So potentially around midday tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading around the 23 to 24 cents target. Yes, it is a slight dip from where it is at the moment, but that is what I'm expecting, only because of what's happened previously when it's pumped up and so on. Yes, over the next couple of hours it may pump up to about 30 cents, but then it is likely to slowly start to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow, potentially down to about 23 to 24 cents is where I'm expecting YGG to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep. Again, only reason why it's looking steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks yes, it is going to carry on that way. However, that is not the case. What I am indeed expecting from YGG over the next week or so, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting it to have dropped back down to around the 21 to 22 cents target. Somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green days in between, up and down, quite volatile, but it's likely, more than likely, there's going to be more red days than green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from YGG over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, not looking positive at all. In fact, they are looking quite steep as well, which also means it's not realistic. What I am expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so potentially early to mid October 2023, is an overall increase in value. Where am I expecting it to be trading at is around 50 cents, somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting YGG to be trading at in October 2023. Yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it approximately 2 to 3 months time, we should be able to slowly and steadily increase in value, as I am expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction for the rest of the year as well, which also includes Bitcoin hitting about $35,000 towards the end of the year is what my predictions are. But again, maybe not hitting the dollar mark this year, guys, because we've got quite a long way for YGG to be hitting the dollar mark. So potentially not this year, potentially Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Yield Guild Games to be hitting the dollar mark. But again, it's all about the time we have to give. Again, guys, crashes in the crypto market are not expected. If any news and updates do come across that can have a major impact on the crypto market, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to hit the green zone, which is $2.79. I'm not expecting it to hit that anytime soon. So yeah, we've got quite a long way, and yeah, at least not for the 12 to 18 months, I'm not expecting it to hit that target. So yeah, at the moment we are stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move towards a positive direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, that is my take and my predictions on YGG, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go this year. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.